on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says goodnight. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding, bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Kick, 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 spot, spot, spot. Cutie kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm went crazy showed. When a moo-moo here and a night-night there, here-a-doo, there-a-doodle, everywhere, shout, shout. Then a rooster shouts all day long, doesn't even cows forget their song. Cutie kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, cow went quack. With a great quack here and a great quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack, quack. Good goes crazy in the pond. The clocks splash, splash, like magic run. Water flying everywhere now. Splash, 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 go. Duck is crazy, don't you know? Cutie kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, sheep went by. Live a ba-ba here and a ba-ba-ba. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere there a ba. In sheep starts running round and round. Jumping high and touching ground. Kitty laughs, stop down please. Ba-ba-ba, E-I-E-I-O. Sheep is dancing, don't you know? Aw, animals now out of control. Fun, farm is messy like cartoon show. Kitty clacks, calm down now. I will fix this, watch me how. Sheep goes, water back, mud. Stops pig from snack attack. Tells goat, eat has please. Rooster sings low with ease not. Duck now splashes slow and fine line. Sheep now calms and feels just fine. Fix, 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 E-I-E-I-O, Nanty. Kitty saves the farm, you know. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Cutie kitty runs the show too. One quack, munt quack, two. Kitty night so bright, lovely. Farm is sleeping soft, the moonlight mulokay. But wait, what's that in the sky? Something glowing falling by. Oh no, 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 look up high. The moon is falling from the sky. Wobble, wobble, moon goes low, a step. Shaking, shaking, slow, slow, slow. Next star shout, hey, come back. But moon is slipping off its track. Each boom light hits the farm below. Animals wake like, oh no, no. Wobble, wobble, falling down. Moon is landing on the ground. Cow runs, moo, what is this light? Pig says, oik, it's too bright. Rooster screams, cock-a-doo. Like duck goes quack. Is it true? Sheep faints bay. Woo, see the sky. Goat eats rope. Munch, don't ask why. Farm goes crazy left and right. Moon is shining super bright. Moon is sad. I'm on it now. I will fix this, just show how. She grabs a net, she grabs a rope. This is not the end of hope. Wind whispers, hurry fast. Moon is falling very fast. City kitty on the road. Rescue mission has begun. Moon is sad, I slipped away. I lost my place in sky today. Kitty says, don't cry, don't fear. I will take you back up here. She swings the rope. Up, up, high. Stars start cheering in the sky. Swing, swing, swing. Up you go. Slow, 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 nice and slow. Moon is back in sky so high. Stars are smiling. Bye, bye, bye. Farm is calm, soft and sweet. Hood animals sleeping in their seat. Kitty yawns. What a night. Everything is back alright. Moon is back where it should stay. Skitty saved the Y2K. Splash, splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, This is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, wow. Beep, beep. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Beak opens. He shakes his head, tries again, but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. No cock-a-doodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how. She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, let's try. No cock-a-doodle, nothing bare. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he ate feed. She laughs, oh I see the case.
No.
Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, don't feel bad. Oh, all mystery found. Voice is hiding underground. Kitty brings a magic tea. Drink this slowly, trust in me. Rooster drinks, gluck, gluck, gluck. Then suddenly, Huga hug. Yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle. Morning sound is on the track. Animals wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meet. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light.
I feel so down.
Light. Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns,
no.
This is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meet. Farm forgot how mornings go. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Beak opens. He shakes his head, tries again, but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Meet. Morning sound is